Welcome to Epoch Trades, where we trade the new age. Today we're going to be covering key levels on the monthly and weekly time frame for SXP. So, as always, our key level criteria, we look for swing highs and swing lows, multiple rejections, acted as support and resistance, drastic moves away, obvious to spot, and recently formed. So, let's go ahead and hop right in. Now the first key level we notice is our monthly swing high here. This price comes up, hits, and reverses drastically, which is obvious to spot here on the monthly chart. Now, let's also go ahead and plot our monthly swing low, as this is the lowest point prices hit before reversing. Now, let's go ahead and hop to the weekly so we can see more price action. Here on the weekly, what do we notice? We can go ahead and spot a key level right here with multiple reactions acting as support and resistance. Now we can also go ahead and plot a key level here with reactions acting as support and resistance, support and resistance. We can plot another key level here with reactions as resistance and support and resistance. So multiple reactions acting as resistance and support, which is obvious to spot here on the weekly chart. Now another key level we notice is right here, which is obvious to spot from these candles here as price comes up, hits, reverses drastically. We also notice reactions here and here, acting to the same key level. Now, for our monthly swing high, we can go ahead and fine tune it to the weekly candle close. Now, we also notice another key level right here. We see multiple reactions acting as resistance and support and resistance over here, making it a very key level. Now, if we go ahead and hop into more recent price action, what can we notice? We can see a key level right here on the weekly, where we have multiple reactions acting as support, and we see price reacting to the same key level as resistance here. So, multiple reactions acting as support and resistance, which is obvious to see here on the weekly. Now we can also go ahead and plot a key level here as we see reactions acting as support and resistance. And our most recent level, we can go ahead and plot right here as we see price reacting as resistance here, now acting as support to the same key level. So, zooming out. These are all the key levels plotted on the chart for our monthly and weekly time frames. If you guys enjoyed the video, go ahead and hit that like button and subscribe for more videos like this.